Hello everyone, back with another video. Name of the lesson is what books and this is fourth lesson of history. Earlier in three videos, first, second and third, I have seen about chapter number one, what, where, how and earliest we have learned about the early. Now let me tell you, historians and archaeologists they study different resources of the different resource and they have what the resource, different resource, Vedas. Let me tell you what do you mean by Vedas. So there are actually four Vedas, the Atharvaveda, Samveda, and Yajurveda. This one Veda, the meaning of Veda is knowledge. Four Veda, the Samveda, the all Vedas were written near about 3,000 years ago. All were written about 1,008, and this is the oldest one. One Vedas, they are the oldest. Listen about Rig Veda. Rig Veda, the oldest Veda, it is also known. The hymns were passed further generation to generation, and they have been composed by sages. These hymns are name of various divine beings. Example, let us means they hymns were written in praise of Indra, a warrior of God, god of no, a warrior god, Agni of the fire, Soma. It's a plant from where special kind of drink was. Now let us study about how these historians have studied about the Vedas or Rig Veda. Historians and archaeologists they find about the past. We know that I have told you also. In addition to these all materials, I tell you means remain material. The ruins one they examine the written sources as well. Let us see how they study the some of the hymns that I have told you. Very first slide they have studied. They have find out that these were the sages written in praise of God, warrior god Indra, Agni, the god of fire, and the Soma. Right? Then in this way they have studied. Actually, they have observed some of the hymns. There were exchanges. There were exchanges. Basically, these exchanges, they all these. Yes. Let us move to the next topic. Or in Rig Veda, there are uh, there are many prayers. There are many prayers actually written. Cattle, children, especially they are written for son. They are written for son and horses. Horses were actually yoked to the chariots. They were used in battles. Chariots were they were fought. They were fought. Capture the battles were also fought for land, conquer that area, and as well as which was important for pasture, and for growing hardy crops and ripen quickly, such as barley. Some battles were fought for water and to capture as well. This is what is done here. Means horses were burdened to chariots so that they can race for the battle. Battles were very planned. They were planned to get the dairy cattle field that they can field can be used growing different crops. Barley, I said, water as well as individuals means some of the wealth that was obtained was kept by priests and also from the wealth they used to get from the battle. They used to keep wealth for them and leaders and priests among the and some of them wealth was utilized for us. Let me tell you what these chariots and in which they used to offer flame into the offer into them. For divine beings, it was like a grains and sometimes animals. Okay, there were different kind of periods have to know about what kind of things about them. Yeah, so, what kind of political life was they people used to other people? What were the words? People actually describe that time of work they do, the language they speak, plus where the place they belong to, and their family, their communities, and their activities or the practices. Okay? People used to describe. Let me tell you once. In terms of people used to describe in terms of the work they do, the place they live, where they live, or the place they belong to, the language they speak, importantly, cultural practices. Follow. There are certain things they basically there were two groups of describe in terms of the priests and rajas. Raja had no capital, castles, armed forces, still gather the charges. Sons a year after did not automatically succeed. Right? So this is what you can the way rajas were not like once you will be learning about a different things. So they did not have the capital. They failed to the chart. Generally, their sons were not successful. Right? So this way we have learned. We have covered the topic of first one is we have covered the topic of one of the oldest books in the world. We have learned about this. All right, the family of languages. So, and the able to then how second part we have how did the recorded history second part we have third part we had okay. Last one their politics say how the people what we have coming video for this different topics like the silent sentence which we will uh, and there what kind of different archaeologists found into the both the burials. What watch it done all that time here and